2024. Unlocking the future to travel.
For decades, flying cars have been only the whimsical thoughts of entrepreneurs and a few gridlocked commuters. Current regulations and safety concerns dictate that anyone operating an aircraft must have proper training and licensing as a pilot. This is an expensive and time-consuming process. Furthermore, existing infrastructure is behind the times. It lacks the ability to control large numbers of airborne vehicles unless they depart or arrive from conventional airports. The Federal Aviation Administration's Next Gen initiative will begin to change this paradigm.
Meanwhile, advances in unmanned aircraft and automated driverless vehicles continue to break new ground in how we will live. Within the next 2 years, the FAA will implement regulations approving the use of small unmanned aircraft for commercial purposes. Initially, operators of these UAVs will be required to possess a standard pilot's license. Eventually, a separate classification of unmanned aircraft licensing will be implemented. Because these aircraft require a hands-on operator, individuals will still be subjected to a training and licensing process.
While slow progress is being made in unmanned aviation, companies like Google have set their sights on advances on the ground. According to Fast Company magazine, by 2025, the option to make any vehicle driverless will cost customers between $7,000 and $10,000. Breakthroughs in sense and avoid technology will soon support efforts to create affordable driverless vehicles on a large scale. These three efforts have operated independently until now. Opportunity often occurs when unrelated capabilities are combined. Opportunity is now on short final for arrival. The confluence of technologies in unmanned aircraft and driverless cars, along with a slowly transforming aviation regulatory environment, sets the stage. The Condor 2024 will turn your car into the first programmable, driverless, multi-role air and ground vehicle. The Condor will be capable of optimizing existing weather, traffic, and airspace congestion conditions to provide the most time-efficient travel experience to its owners. The modular design of the Condor 2024 gives conventional drivers a means to take flight without purchasing an entirely new vehicle.
Break free from the bonds of gridlock traffic in the Condor 2024. The Condor will transform your existing vehicle into a personal, airborne commuting solution. The Condor's retractable wings and rooftop mounting system make your car truly multi-capable. Its onboard computer and communication system will network with developing FAA air traffic architecture to safely integrate your vehicle into the airspace system. The Condor's automated driverless technology provides sense and avoid capabilities, which will free the operator of licensing requirements and improve safety by eliminating human error. Operators need only to point and click on a computer-based map to begin the process of the transitioning from ground to flight. Condor's proprietary software then develops a flight path and communicates with the FAA systems over cellular networks to obtain approval for flight. FAA controllers can alter flight paths as required for traffic deconfliction or other safety considerations prior to approval. This modified flight path is then viewable by the operator for final approval authority. One final click and the Condor operator transforms his or her commute from this to this. Become part of the future today. Condor 2024 is seeking investors to bring this once unimaginable product to the market. Be part of transforming how the world experiences travel.